What's up, Kabalen? It's me again, Alvin Bautista of Exploring Pampanga. For today's vlog, guys, samahan nyo ako sa Splash of Freedom Run 2024 dito sa may CDC, Clark, Pampanga. So itong run na to, guys, is sponsored by BJ88. And yung mismong event is Run for a Cause para sa anak balay-balayan dito sa may Angeles City. Samahan nyo ako, guys. Yung category nila dito is 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 10 kilometers. Tatakbo tayo at mag-isaya sa event nila.
Everybody! Philippines! 15 seconds to 0. 3, 2, 1. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Pass of freedom!
Ayan, for BJ88, ayun, congratulations po for this successful event. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for participating in this event. Nakakatuwa po kasi, to be honest, kami po ay taga Batangas pa. So, Batangas to Pampanga. So, dinayo po talaga namin to. Very worth it. Napaka-worth it po ng event na ito. It's really successful. And actually, yung pong participation nyo is hindi lang po, syempre, kayo napagod and enjoy. Worth it po yung napuntahan niya. So, syempre, shoutout din po sa ating anak Belay-Balayan. Ayan. May you continue to be an inspiration. And sana mas madami pa po kayong maging opportunity. Yan, naniniwala po ako na mas malayo pa po ang mararating nyo.
Gusto ko lang pong mag-thank you sa lahat dahil sobrang successful po ng event po natin. So again, thank you po kayo kay Sir Raf para po dun sa successful event po. And also dun po sa ating mga 300 free registration na participant po na sponsor din po ng BJ88.